Hello to everyone. Welcome to your channel Psychology Simplified. Today we will explore what is concentration and 15 ways to improve our concentration in this clip. So let's see few definitions of concentration. Concentration, जिसे हिंदी में एकाग्रता के नाम से जाना जाता है, it is the ability to maintain the attention for a certain amount of time. Or we can say concentration is the ability to direct one's attention in accordance with one's will. Concentration also refers to the mental effort you direct towards whatever you are working on or learning at that moment. Sometimes it is confused with attention span, but attention span refers to the length of time you can concentrate on something. Now let's see what are the 15 ways to improve our concentration. The first one is practice brain exercises. Like solving Rubik's Cube. You can try for crosswords, even playing chess. These activities develops working memory and short-term memory. The second way is having an exercise schedule. Exercise is an all-round activity which maintains our mental as well as physical health. It improves our concentration and focus. Eliminate distractions in order to improve our concentration, like background noise, lighting, television noise, radio. So choose a calm location for better concentration level. Fourth one is by limiting our focus. Minimize multitasking because it reduces the impact of focus. The fifth way out is living in the present moment. Put away any physical or psychological distractions to recapture your mental focus. Sixth one is practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can involve learning how to meditate, but it can also be as simple as trying a quick and easy deep breathing exercise. It will surely enhance our concentration level. Here is the one tip for practicing mindfulness. Take few deep breaths and then focus on breath as it occurring naturally. When you feel mind begin to wander, gently and uncritically guide your focus back to your deep breathing. The seventh method is taking a short break. It's brain tendency to ignore sources of constant stimulation. So next tip for short break is taking very brief breaks by shifting your attention elsewhere can dramatically improve mental focus. Improve your sleep quality in order to enhance your concentration level. We usually ignore our quality of sleep. Sleep deprivation disrupts concentration, memory, and attention. Ninth one is spending time in nature. Go for 15 to 20 minutes outside every day. Make it a habit. It boosts our concentration level naturally. The 10th method is meditation. It improves our concentration level. Meditation improves memory and cognitive abilities. So we can try to have a fixed time schedule either in morning or evening for 5 to 10 minutes to focus on our breath. Using music to increase concentration level is the 11th method. It may possible that there is no interest in music, then please have some nature sounds as a background music. It surely improve our concentration level. We can give a try by changing our diet is the 12th method. Avoid processed foods like sugar, greasy and fatty acids. Include more fruits and vegetables in our diet. 13th method is by taking the help of caffeine like green tea or 70% or more higher dark chocolate drinks. It contains phytochemicals which improves cognitive functions and promote relaxations. 14th method is trying various supplements. Please check with your doctor first, and by the recommendation of doctor we can take supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin K, etc. as per the requirement of our body. If you feel that by trying the methods we have discussed there is no improvement or nil improvement in concentration level, so one can try also for psychotherapy or medications by the recommendation of doctor. Please subscribe and share